Hello friend, this is Mohammed Shahzad from Repair My Mobile. So now I am giving a big update and very big and it's a very important update of Miracle. Now you can use Miracle Thunder Dongle or Miracle Box, the latest version 3.36. You can download the latest setup our website also. So what is the latest setup in 3.36? So you can unlock your latest model and you can what model you can unlock OPPO A33, 32, A74 and F19, F17 you can unlock. Also Realme 7 I supported, you can unlock without open back panel and press volume up and down. If you know about the more information how to work, you can connect our online training platform Repair My Mobile, because also we are giving the training of English languages, so you can join our classes of English. Also, it's a big update of Vivo Fastboot to ETL, so you can unlock your phone without back panel open of Vivo Qualcomm model. Connect your phone in fastboot mode, and you can unlock your model like factory reset as well as FRP of Vivo. Now it's a big update, so I am very happy for this update. How can unlock? So first we have download the latest of our website Miracle Setup from Repair My Mobile, and after you will get the Miracle 3.36. So this is your 3.36. Here you will get the information on Qualcomm. Go on Qualcomm tab, select your brand. Our brand is OPPO. So first you have to select your OPPO, and here you will get the latest update like A32 2020, A33 2020. Also you will get A53 2127 CPS 73 74. So it is the latest update for all us. You can unlock F17, F19, F19s. So I think it's a big update for Miracle users, so you can use now. It's unlock without loader. Connect your phone and unlock. Also it's a big update for the Vivo, so go on repair tab, sorry, unlock tab, and you can change your mode, la reboot ETL mode from to fast boot. Connect your phone in fast boot mode and you can work like fast boot mode, and you can change to which one to ETL. So it's a very big update for the OPPO as well as Vivo. So it's a big update, and you can continue join our training platform of Repair My Mobile, because also giving our training is English languages, so you can try to understand it. You can connect our online training platform if you know about more information. And please, if you watch this video and have a like, if you watch this page, you can give the like and subscribe. And if you have any query, any thought, you can comment section open, you can give the comment on comment section. And please do subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching. This is Muhammad Shahzad from Repair My Mobile.